VibeCode Blueprint Review. Hello, welcome to Clever Marketing. In this video, we'll be doing a full review of VibeCode Blueprint. It's a reverse engineer coding to crack the once impossible shortcut that now pumps out unlimited traffic and sales. With a push of a button, no developers, no cost, no waiting, and why the timing couldn't be more perfect. James and Max are the vendors, and they've been in marketing for years. They have seen people come in, fade, and gone with all the overpromised, under-delivered softwares. And what they'll be sharing is unlike any other ever seen before. So in this video, I'll be showing you a quick demo, a walkthrough, and talk about upgrades and special exclusive bonuses. Now, without wasting time, let's dive into the demo of VibeCode Blueprint.
James and Max here, and welcome to VibeCode Blueprint. This is shockingly insane what we are going to bring to you today. We all know about AI. We know about AI and that it's incredible, but at the same time, you're probably thinking what we're thinking is that, like, that's cool that we can go into AI and ask it about facts. It's cool that we can go into AI and it can make some neat little pictures. But what we all want is to be able to go in there and literally push a button and it creates what we want it to create. Without having to do a bunch of back and forth, without having to do a bunch of crazy stuff, just create what we want it to create. And now that time has come. There's the notion of vibe coding. What is vibe coding? Vibe coding is that, okay, I don't have to be a programmer and I can create things with AI. Sure, but have you been able to do that? The answer probably is no. No, you haven't been able to create the wildest things in your imagination. Well, now you can. Max and I, we finally have the tech. We finally have the ability to create what we want. We're getting insane amounts of traffic. We're getting insane amounts of money. I'm now the #1 vendor on Warrior Plus. Max is now a top 1% affiliate. We're getting thousands of dollars, literally, for things that are taking us seconds to create. We're talking websites. We're talking games. We're talking everything you can think about in terms of marketing. Our business is now being created in seconds using the VibeCode Blueprint. This is nuts. If you want traffic, if you want sales, if you want easy, and to be able to create things that are unbelievable, that normally would take people hours and hours to build if they were PhD level. Now you're going to get it with the VibeCode Blueprint. But it's not just about knowing that vibe coding exists. It's not just knowing the tech exists. You need to know exactly how to use this power. We're great marketing minds. We do great things. We're on the top of cutting edge technology. And now you're going to be there because we're going to bring it to you. Max?
Yeah, guys, so with VibeCode Blueprint, you can literally say that the future has started now. Most people have no idea that these things can now be created in a matter of seconds, that you don't need to have any skills anymore to create like the craziest things out there. Like, you can now really go out there and build all kinds of digital assets in a matter of seconds, 2 minutes. These digital assets are worth a lot of money and they can get you a ton of traffic to any link of your choice right away. Like, this is basically like building a full business in a matter of like 5 seconds. And yeah, definitely next level stuff, guys. I'm super excited. I can still not believe that something like this is now possible, but it is. And this is the good news for you, because once again, most people have no idea that this can now be done using the power of artificial intelligence. So make sure to pick this up right now. There is a button down below. So I hope to see you inside, and let's go.